All right, guys, this is our second take. I hope you guys can hear me. People are clanging in here today, but it is all good. Welcome to my channel, Honor Your Temple. This is going to be part 4 in the kettlebell workout series that I'm doing. Kettlebells are a great modality to be able to help you guys build muscle, build strength, and they're also something that is very flexible because there's things that you can use not just in the gym, but also working out at home as well. I wanted to create a series that could be a little bit more flexible, things you can do both either here or at home to help you hit whatever results you want. So this series is for that. In part 4, we're gonna go through a leg workout. So it's gonna be a kettlebell leg workout. So we're gonna hit both, the anterior, our front parts of our legs, and hit the posterior, our back parts, to give us a full leg workout. So let's get into it.
All right, everybody, so to warm up before we start this leg workout, I want you guys to foam roll. You're gonna see now the different areas and muscles that I want you guys to foam roll over before we start this leg workout now, and you're gonna see how to actually foam roll them here. Again, foam rolling is going to be perfect to warm up because I don't want you guys to have a limited range of motion due to any imbalances or muscles that may be tight. So being able to foam roll over the tension to be able to loosen up the fascia that may be causing that muscle to have a decreased range of motion, it's just going to help you move better. It's going to help you feel better. It can ultimately help decrease your risk of injury as well. That's why I'm big on foam rolling before workout. So we're going to foam roll and then we'll get into the workout after we're done. All right, after you get done foam rolling, I want you guys to give me just a good 20 body weight squats. Give me about 1 to 2 sets of these just to kind of get, your legs and muscles to kind of loose and warmed up. I don't want you guys starting out with weight or anything too much before you get some movement in the legs. So just want you guys to get some body weight squats in. Then after we get the body weight squats in, we'll start adding the weights. All right, after we get done with the body weight squats, we're now going to move into the superset. We're going to hit these kettlebell goblet squats with these kettlebell split squats, okay? On these goblet squats, I want to make sure that you guys are really going nice and slow on these goblet squats. I don't want you guys to be like, trying to speed through them. Give me nice, slow, easy descends, and we're going to explode up off of that descend to keep the time under tension well so we can really drive that muscle through our legs. Then right after you get done, I want you to jump right into the split squats. We're going to get a little bit of flexibility hit through our TFL and also get some direct isolation on our quads as we're able to kind of work in a single leg position to even furthermore kind of keep that muscle under tension to develop, mainly the front and anterior part of our legs. So I'm going through this kettlebell squat and this split squat. I want you to go 3 to 5 sets of 10 each on here. 3 to 5 sets. If you guys are more advanced, you can go to 5, but definitely try to hit at least 3, and then we'll move to the next exercise. Next, after we finish that superset, we're going to get to these kettlebell step-ups, okay? On these step-ups, I want us to go 4 sets of about 10 reps on here. I want us to mainly focus on explosiveness on these step-ups, okay? As the goblet squats and split squats are more of hypertrophy focus. Here, I want to focus on explosiveness, so really getting a nice hard drive through that back heel as you're stepping up, getting a good motion and going power on these step ups. That's what I really want you to focus on, the power and explosiveness, really driving your leg up through each of those, okay? So we're gonna go for about 4 sets of 10 on these step ups. Then after that, we'll move to the next exercise. Right, after we finish the step ups, we're now going to go into these RDLs and glute bridges, okay? We're now going to focus really on the posterior or the back part of our legs, where the first 2 or 3 exercises on here were more anterior focused. We now want to move to the posterior focus with the RDLs and the glute bridges to make sure we are keeping our posterior parts of our legs strong. The RDLs and the glute bridges are really going to target the hamstrings and glutes more so than anything. So to make sure that we are really isolating and developing those, this is what this superset is going to really do. You're going to really feel that through the back part of your legs. So we're going to go for 5 sets of 10 on the RDLs. Then on the glute bridges, I want us to go 5 sets of either 10 to 12 reps on there. I want you to really make sure we're hitting those glute bridges out. So about 5 sets, 10 to 12 on the glute bridges, 5 sets of 10 on the RDLs. Then we'll move to the next exercise. All right, after we get done with the RDLs and glute bridges, I really want us to hit these reverse lunges. And unlike a forward lunge when you're going to be stepping forward, when we're stepping backwards on these reverse lunges, we're going to really be able to target the hamstring and glute a lot more effectively on these reverse lunges, which is, you know, as we're starting to touch up the posterior and back parts of our legs, it's going to be a really great movement for that. You are going to hit the quads a little bit, but the back step does allow us to get a little bit more of an emphasis on the glute and hamstrings as we explode up. You just want to make sure you're really pushing through your heel. So as long as you drive up your heel, focus on really activating the hamstring and glute on the push up, it's going to be a really great movement for that. Also, they're going to be good for developing some really good dynamic flexibility through your hip flexors as well. So we'll hit these reverse lunges. We're going to go for about 3 to 4 sets of 10 on here. Then we'll move to the next exercise. And after we finish with that, the last thing we got, we're just going to touch the calves, okay, with these kettlebell calf raises. I want you guys to add weight to these calf raises to make sure we can add a little bit more of a resistance to them to help develop the calves. The calves are such an important part of the legs. I don't want you guys to miss touching up on through this leg workout. So to make sure we give our calves a good solid hit, we're just going to go for about 5 sets. I want to really rep the calves out though on here. I want us to go 15 to 20 reps on these calf raises. Make sure we're really getting a good pump in there, fill out the legs as much as possible, make sure we don't miss any part of these leg muscles through this workout to finish it out. So got these good calf raises, give me a good 5 sets of 15 to 20 and we'll be all good.
All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this kettlebell leg workout, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Definitely be sure to leave any comments for feedback on how you guys are enjoying the workouts or any other video recommendations. Would love to be able to accommodate anything you guys want. So just leave all that in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notifications as well. Honor Your Temple is all about helping you get the most out of the one life and one body that you have. I believe we only get one life and one body in this lifetime, so we can establish our fitness first, making it as healthy as we can, as well as our faith and our relationship with God. I believe those 2 pillars can help you achieve whatever it is you want to in life. And this channel is all about just helping you get there. So if you guys rock with that message, we'd love for you guys to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and become a part of this community. And thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.